Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a printable calendar on Canva. Let's get started. Creating your own printable calendar is an excellent way to stay organized, add a personal touch to your home or office, and even create thoughtful gifts for family and friends. With Canva, you have access to thousands of professional templates and an easy-to-use design tool, all for free. We're going to go through this process step by step, from logging in and finding the perfect template to customizing every detail, and finally preparing the file for high-quality printing. I'll make sure to cover every part of the process so you end up with a calendar you're proud to use or share. First, you need to access Canva. Open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. On the homepage, you'll need to sign into your account. If you don't have a Canva account yet, don't worry. Creating one is completely free. Just click the Sign Up button, and you can register using your email, Google account, or Facebook. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva dashboard or home screen. This is your central hub for creating all kinds of designs. Now, to find the calendar templates, look at the left-hand sidebar on your dashboard. You'll see several tabs like Projects, Folders, and importantly, Templates. Click on the Templates tab. This opens Canva's vast library of professionally designed starting points for every project imaginable. At the top of this Templates page, you will see a search bar. Click in that search bar and type the keyword calendar. After typing it, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Instantly, you will be presented with a huge array of calendar templates. Canva offers designs for every style and purpose. You'll see minimalist monthly calendars, colorful yearly overviews, academic calendars, family planners with photo spaces, and themed calendars for holidays, fitness, or business. Take your time to scroll through these options. You can hover your mouse over any template to get a slightly larger preview. When you find a design that catches your eye and suits your needs, whether it's for a kitchen wall, a desk, or a detailed personal planner, click on it. The template will now open fully in the Canva editor, ready for you to make it your own. Once the template is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the workspace. On the left side, you'll see a panel showing all the pages of this calendar document. Most calendar templates are multi-page, including a cover and individual pages for each month. You can click on any page thumbnail in this panel to jump directly to that page. Let's start customizing the cover page first. Click on the cover page thumbnail. Usually, the cover has placeholder text, like 2025 calendar or my year. To change this text, simply double-click on the text box. The text will become editable. Type in your preferred title, such as Dispello Rocket, The Smith Family, 2025, or Productivity Planner. Next, you can change the colors to match your personal taste or brand. Click on any colored element, like a shape or the background. A color tile will appear in the top toolbar. Clicking on it opens the color picker. Here, you can choose from Canva's preset color palettes. Use the eyedropper tool to pick a color from an image already in the design, or even input a specific hex code if you have one. Changing the main color on the cover will often update linked colors throughout the template, giving you a cohesive look instantly. A major part of personalizing a printable calendar is adding your own photos. This is especially great for a family gift. To upload your photos, look to the left sidebar and click on the Uploads tab. Then, click the purple Upload Files button and select images from your computer. You can also drag and drop files directly from your desktop folder into this Uploads panel. Once your photos are uploaded, they appear as thumbnails. Now, go to a monthly page, say January. Templates typically have image placeholders, frames with a mountain icon inside. To insert your photo, just click and drag your chosen image from the Uploads panel and drop it right onto that placeholder frame. The photo will snap into place. You can then click the crop button that appears to adjust the focus or zoom within the frame. Let's customize the calendar grid itself. Click on the page for a specific month. You'll see the grid of dates. It's vital to double-check that the days of the week align correctly with the dates for your chosen year. Canva's templates are often generic, but you may need to adjust them. To edit a date, simply double-click on the number inside its cell and type the correct one. You can also change the font style, size, or color of these numbers using the text toolbar at the top if you want a different look. Now, the most functional part, adding your important dates. You should add birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, and appointments before you print. Click on the Text tab in the left sidebar, then click Add a little bit of text. A small text box will appear. Type your event, like Mum's birthday. Now, make this text stand out. You can change its color to red or another bright shade. You can also add a small graphic icon from the Elements tab. Search for terms like cake, balloon, or flag, and drag a tiny icon next to your event text. Position this event on the correct date on the calendar grid. Repeat this process for every important date you want to include across all the months. This pre-population turns your calendar from a generic tool into a personalized life management system. Consider adding other useful sections. Many templates have extra boxes for notes, goals, or to-do lists. You can edit the placeholder text in these boxes to say exactly what you need, like January goals or this month's priorities. If your chosen template doesn't have these, you can easily add them. Use the Elements tab to find simple shapes like rectangles or rounded squares to create new note boxes. Then, use the text tool to add labels inside them. Once you have gone through every single month, January through December, and customized the photos, dates, colors, and notes to your satisfaction, it is time to prepare for printing. This is a critical step. First, do a final review. Use the page thumbnails on the left to scroll through every page slowly. Check for typos, ensure dates are correct, and verify that all your personal events are in the right places. When you're ready, click the Share the button in the top right corner of the editor. In the menu that appears, select Download. A settings window will pop up. For a printable calendar, the most important choice is the file format. You must select PDF print. This format is optimized for printing and will preserve the highest quality of your images and graphics, ensuring no blurry pixels or misaligned margins. You should also select Pages, all to download the entire document. Under Quality, choose High. Then, click the purple Download button. Your customized printable calendar will now save as a PDF file to your computer's Downloads folder. Your calendar is now ready. You can take this PDF file to any home printer or professional print shop. For the best results at the print shop, you might mention that the file is already sized to a standard like US letter or A4. You can print it on cardstock for durability and even have it spiral bound. Creating your own printable calendar on Canva is not only simple and fun, but gives you complete control over your organization and style for the entire year ahead. By the way, if you want to use Canva and social media to make extra money each month, one of the simplest ways is by creating and selling digital products. It's very beginner-friendly. You can make something like an ebook, checklist, or guide in Canva once, then sell it over and over again with almost no ongoing costs. That means profit margins are extremely high, and you don't need to work crazy hours. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Literally just 3 to 5 hours of work per week can realistically make you thousands per month in profit. If you want to see exactly how this works step by step, start by watching the free video linked in the description.